everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Since we're sheltered in place, I'm getting a little bored. We've been having an order to shelter in place for about 3 weeks now. We're getting a little bored here, so we just want to turn the living room up into like a music festival. A lot of things have been canceled lately, like Coachella, Ultra Music Festival, EDC. You know, like if you guys are into that type of stuff, yeah, all those have been canceled. So we're ready to party it up here. Just, you know, just probably me, my sister, and Jimmy, so I got some stuff from Amazon and these are the products. Boom! So we got a disco ball light. This one was, I think it was like 12 bucks or something on Amazon, but I'll have the link down below. Yeah, I got this on Amazon because, as you know, we can't buy anything in stores right now, so Amazon is the place to go. If you have Amazon Prime, it's free shipping. It takes a little longer to get to you now, but it still gets to you, so you don't have to, you know, go into the store or anything. Yeah. Next product is this LED strip kit. We're gonna put it around the room so it, you know, gets this vibe around the living room a little bit more. So let's see how it turns out. Let's go ahead and get started. Whoosh. This is what it looks like. I think this is the remote. Change the colors? What's this for?
We're about to find out.
We're about to find out, guys. These are the lights. I think we got 2. Yeah, we got 2. And then we got the power cord. So let's go ahead and get started. Wait, turn off the camera. Alright guys, so it's taking us a bit to figure out where we want the light to, you know, start. So we're trying to figure that out right now. But I think we know exactly where we want the midpoint now because it's not like a long cord, it's 2 different ones. We're trying to figure that out and we'll get back to you. That should work, right? See if it works. And go. And go. Alright, so we're gonna try it. That's the in case. Let's see. Hey! Let's see if we can turn off the lights. Let's see. Not show you guys the whole thing yet. So we tried it, it worked, so we're gonna go ahead and continue. This is gonna look sick. Right? Sick?
Sick.
Sick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually make a time lapse because it's taking a little bit of time, so we're gonna go ahead and make a time lapse. We're having some technical difficulties, just a little bit. We're trying to figure out like the midpoint again. It's not really a DIY, but usually my DIY is a little weird like that. So we gotta move the thing a little bit more towards this way, so then it can reach all around this side of the room. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Okay, all right. No, because you're gonna have to. Hey guys, so I'm having Jimmy help me out because it's hot. We're 1 strip down. We got another strip to go on the other side of the room. We're gonna do this, guys. Make it look cool. Alright, so now we're gonna start the time lapse and you'll see, you know, get out of here. Ready? Lights! Guys, it's gonna look so cool. Oh snap! It's a party, guys. Alright guys, so we got the LED lights up. It's looking pretty dang nice if I have to say so myself. Look, it's just like we're in the mood, like woohoo, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the disco ball rolling and let's see if that just adds the mood. Off. It's a party. It's a party. Oh snap, look at that. Does that look cool? Let's put it here. And go. It's a party. It's a party. Dude, this is gonna look so sick at nighttime. This is like, it's still bright out, so it looks kind of like so bright in here still. So yeah, I will definitely put a clip in this whole thing happening at nighttime. Oh my god, would it look nice with my twinkle lights? Boom! Okay, what do you guys think? It's like we're at a club. Alright guys, so now it turned dark, so we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like at night.
The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came, now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you.
What do you guys think? I think we did a pretty dang good job with all these lights. It does look like a party up in here. Yes, sheltering in place could definitely get boring. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys thumbs it up, okay? And also, all the items that I bought is down below. I put the link down there for you. If you guys want to purchase it yourself, make sure to hit that link. I hope you guys liked the video and make sure you check out my other videos if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much and I will see you guys next time.